Looking for a complete steel ball production line? We provide 4 sets of induction heating equipment for hot rolling steel ball manufacturing, equipped with IGBT intermediate frequency power supply fast heating, low energy consumption, and low oxidation. Realize continuous automatic production. Great line improve your production efficiency. Suitable for grinding balls, used in mines and cement plants. We support customized solutions according to your requirements. Our machines are exported to Philippines, Turkey, and other markets. Contact us to get your professional production plan.